If I make Christianity a branding or an image na pangangalagaan ko here on social media, na-figure out ko na it can be dangerous. Again, this is my personal conviction on the matter. But don't get me wrong, God is king overall, lalo na kung Christian ka. Pero if you make it a branding or image exercise here on social media, pwede kang madapa at mabago yung motivation mo. I think the branding thing works para sa mga ibang bagay. Halimbawa, you position yourself in social media as a gadget review guy. And talagang pinpointed ka na your content is all about that. You will not post about your travels. You will not post about your family. You will not discuss about politics. Talagang gadget review guy ka lang and all about gadgets. But again, in my personal conviction, kung ganun din yung gagawin ko as a Christian, and I will just position myself as a Christian content creator, malaki pala yung tendency ko na lahat i-Christianize ko. Kasi nga, ang inaalagaan ko na yung positioning ko, yung branding ko bilang Christian content creator. Making my Christianity just a mere branding. Para lang maalagaan yung image ko on social media. Lately, I did this sort of political post on my social media. At may nag-comment sa akin na wag na daw akong pumasok doon at mag-share na lang daw ako ng mga Christian encouragement, mga Christian things. And I fully understand the concern. Kasi nga yung dynamic sa social media, na if you're a gadget review guy, dapat gadget review lang yung gagawin mo. At same din, yung gusto lang ipa-apply pagdating sa mga Christian content creators. That's why I replied na I am not a Christian content creator. I'm a content creator who happens to be a Christian. Hindi ko trabaho na i-sustain yung Christian image ko on my social media or my post. If may art project ako, I will post. If may nakita akong masarap na restaurant, I will share. If natawa ako sa isang meme na hindi naman against God, I will share that funny meme. If meron akong opinion about politics na hindi naman kumakala sa aking conviction as a Christian, I will share. And kung meron akong mga devotion, mga realization, mga reflection about the Bible, I will also share. In short, I'm just sharing my life. I'll share YouTube links ng music video ng Blur. I will also share links ng music video ng Sovereign Grace or ng City Alike. Hindi ako obligadong mag-post ng picture na nagdadasal ako or yung picture ko na nag-worship ako na nasa church, nakataas yung kamay. Kumbaga, I have no pressure to do all those things kasi Christianity for me is not a branding, lalo na sa social media. And it's something personal. Hindi ako obligado to pakita all out lahat ng ginagawa ko as a Christian. At yun ang dahilan siguro, baka maraming nalilito sa inyo, Christian, ano ba yan? Content creator, bakit nagpo-post siya ng Blur? Again, ginawa ko tong video na to para i-clear yung mga bagay-bagay. I'm not a Christian content creator. I am a content creator who happens to be Christian. If you're not comfortable with this kind of style, okay lang naman. Wala namang hard feelings. Parang you can unfollow, unsubscribe. If you're looking for someone na talagang hardcore lahat about Christianity, Christianist talaga, hindi po ako yun. So here in my channel, I will just share my life. Mga nagagawa kong artwork, mga exhibits na napupuntahan ko, mga exhibit na jojoinan ko, art bazaar, favorite kong music, Britpop, realization ko about this Bible verse, my reflection about kung ano yung nabasa ko kanina sa Bible. It's pretty much my life. A life of a Christian artist na naniniwala na creativity is God's grace.